Yo, Happy New Year to my people, Happy New Year to the champions, Happy New Year to the people that support the slogan Shandukum Zimbabwe. Um, the president is posted just the past day ago, and the citizens are very, 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 I wouldn't call it angry, I would call it frustrated with the way the situation and the way the process is taking. They say the process is taking long, people are getting tired, and people are getting impatient. So what he said is truth in government, where we are going. Zimbabwe shall work and function on the basis of truth and nothing else. The entire government, the president's office, our public officials, and public institutions like ZPC shall work. Public institutions like ZPC shall work on truth alone and nothing else. No lies, no propaganda or falsehood, zero hate, nil malice. Behold the government of truth. When somebody is talking like this, it means there's something in the works and something really is about to happen. Somebody can just wake up and be deluded and be delusional and start posting something like this on the internet, not knowing what they are doing and where they are going. If they don't have the power, they don't even have the hope for the future. But so, with that being said, citizens answered right on X. The people maybe who are probably impatient about this whole situation. Mrewa Princess on X said, but there are allegations that you are centralizing power around yourself. And how true is this? We cannot be rebuilding every time going towards the election. If mistakes have been done, the good leaders accept where he got it wrong and correct himself. We move again. And then the president answered and said, before I answer you, who is making these malicious allegations? Who is making these malicious allegations? One thing that you have to realize about the people is that the people are really frustrated. And I said this before. People are impatient. People are suffering. That's one of the things. And people can't wait until the government is changed. As it has been said, he said that 2023 was the year. People thought it was actually, what it actually meant was all the troubles were gone and every problem has come to an end. Not knowing that each and every promise has a process. As you can see, the other guy commented and said, politics aside, President, people are suffering. What exactly can be done to resolve this? We voted for change. But wakavuta. Now, Twitter say I am guru. The president didn't even answer in a sentence. He only said, on it. We are on it. So what I can urge each and every champion is that all of us be patient. All of us, let's hold on to the hope that we had in 2023 and take it with us to the 2024 year and see if God can manage to take us out of Egypt, because where we are right now, things are not really, really well in the country. Things are not well with the people. People are suffering. People are going through it. There's no money. The economy is not functional. There's no functioning money. And guys, to be honest with you, things are going south and it's really, really starting to scare me. The other citizen, that Guru said that, my MP edu arikushanda nechokwadi, Mr. President, or vachazochinja vavo government. Mr. President answered and said, the citizens are and must be guardians of excellence, integrity, and standards in government. And so when he said this, another citizen actually asked, when really manja, how is it going to happen? Because people are impatient. As I said, people can't wait. People can't wait. They say good things come to those who wait. So I will urge each and everybody listening, let's try to be patient. Okay? Let's try and be patient, guys. Ndoku, I don't know how to read this, but this when he said no, how, Mr. Chamisa answered and said, each and every promise has a process. So what citizens have to know, they have to trust our president. They have to trust that the man in front of us, the leader, would deliver upon his promise. But what you have to realize is that things are not going to be like walk in the park. We're dealing with a dictatorship government. It's not easy to remove a liberation party. What we have to hope for is for the elections that are saying going to happen this year, in September or June or whatever. Just the people saying it. The people saying that there will be elections in June. So let's just wait and see if things go as planned, as Mr. President has planned them to go. So there's a citizen who actually also quoted the post he posted on the 26th of September 2023, saying that yes, 2023 is the year, the devil is a liar. And I don't know what he meant by that, but people assumed he meant that the year is 2023 was the year where the government was going to be removed and they were going to form a new government. Exactly what I heard him say when he was actually campaigning. What we have to realize is that politicians also have to lie sometimes. They have to lie to get your votes. But in this case, he was encouraging the people to vote, because if he didn't do all that was required, people were not going to vote. And thereby, no one was going to get their freedom. People didn't vote in numbers. Not everyone voted. And what you have to know is the people that voted were the people in Zim. Most of the people gave up on voting a long time ago. So he had the obligation to actually sprinkle a little bit of lies so that the people can be able to go home and vote. The future is controlled and governed by those who can clearly see it coming. Grasp the picture. When I'm seeing the picture, my eyes are like kind of getting dizzy. So are you telling me that the future is going to make me dizzy like this? No, it's just a joke. But guys, however you feel it, however you see it, just make sure that you comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this picture and what was he trying to show us and what is the significance of the picture. What is the significance of grasping the picture? We'll continue, close by saying that knowing what shall be in the later days. This is a post of today. He posted this on the 6th of January 2024 today, on the time of this upload. Knowing what shall be in the latter days, but there is a God in heaven who reveals secrets and mysteries. Daniel chapter 2 verse 28. This one God, our God is in heaven. Our God, our Father, is the presiding authority over the entire universe, presides over all nations, all persons, all the things of the earth. To him alone belongs the glory and the revelation of secrets, and not necromancers, heathen gods, or to any magician or witch doctor. That's just a message for today. Anyway, without further ado, make sure that you comment, on whatever you think about the argument that is actually happening on Twitter. The citizens are really frustrated with our president. The citizens are